Nice and lovely, guys. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the real authentic oats porridge with a twist. Alright, so basically now I'm using some hot water this time to show you. Turn on your stove and I'm putting roughly about 2.5 cups of hot water. I'll be using some low fat coconut milk into it. Alright, so you see the reason why I use the hot water? Because I'm going to melt out the low fat coconut milk. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons in it. That's why I use it. That's the trick, guys. Secondly, I'm going to be using some almond milk in it. Alright, see it? Original almond milk. I'm going to be using 4 packs of oats in it. This is the first 2. This is the next 2. Last one. Give it a lovely start. Once it boil up, you're gonna be okay. Alright, see it? That's the easiest way to make your oats porridge at home. Use some boiling water and you're good to go. Turn on your stove a little bit low. Just gonna add a little bit more of the. I'm using almond milk. You can use normal milk. One, that looking good. That looking really good. So that's allow that for it to go and simmer for a few more minutes, so then we're gonna sweeten it. Nice one, guys. So now it's time to sweeten. Alright, I'm gonna put some Jamaican nutmeg egg, some mixed spice, cinnamon, give it a lovely whisk. Jamaican nutmeg egg, vanilla, sorry, that's a teaspoon. Sweeten with condensed milk as it goes along. last thing left to do is to taste it. Just a little bit of salt. Give it a whisk. And taste again. Perfect. 3 more minutes and we're going to share it. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, oh, this looking really good and nice. All right, now it's time to share. All right, that's my plate. That's looking good. Nice one. As you can see, that looking amazing. I got a little bit of fruit right here, so it's a little bit too much fruits. I know. Yeah, but yeah. Alright, good to go. It's alright. Some seeds on top of it. Chisel seed, really good for you. Super food. Please enjoy, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.